What's up, guys? Welcome to another vlog. Bye feel smoke. My cheat limits. Let's go, guys, let's go. To film here. So, our birthday girl. Happy birthday! Not today. I'm taking you along with me for some Dubai adventures. Dubai Hill Small, please. So guys, at first I'm going to the mall, and of course I have to stop by Sephora because tomorrow I am invited for a birthday party on a yacht. It's my friend's Aliona's birthday. You probably already know her from my previous vlogs. And actually I have my birthday gift, which is a voucher to Sephora, which I need to use. So I'll try to buy some nice beauty products. I'm not sure that it's allowed to film at Sephora. So anyway, I'll do my best, or I'll just show it to you later. I lost the mic here. Guys, can you imagine? I dropped the mic and I almost lost it. Let's get going. I am at the mall right now. I see already some optic shops. To be honest, I love buying new glasses all the time. And also I wanted to ask you a question. Do you prefer online shopping, or you actually like going to the mall and choose by yourself? Because I have to say that I became very, very strong in online shopping. Usually I buy everything online. Very rarely I go to the mall and buy things, you know. But today is the day, so we will try to look for Sephora. Flowing chocolate. Anna Power Fit. We'll show you. Not today. Not today. Tomorrow we will have a cake on Aliona's birthdays. I will keep all of my cheat limits for tomorrow. Okay, guys, I give up. We will use a map. Let's be a little bit intellectual. Okay, what do I do? Where do I go? It's even more complicated than just wander around. Okay, I basically have to cross the whole mall. Let's go, guys, let's go. Oh, actually I was jumping to conclusions too fast. I was exactly next to Sephora. Here we are. Okay, I'm not sure that it's allowed to film here, so we will try to be discreet, guys. And how much is this one?
190.
Yeah, not bad actually. Hi. Okay, guys, I think I have bought already more than my voucher, so the next one will be just eye shopping because I exceeded my budget. Chanel, thank you very much. Thank you for the very friendly prices. Let me show you. So I bought blush, I bought foundation and powder, a lip pencil, brow pencil and brow gel. And it's already more than 1,000 dirhams, guys. More than 300, around $300. Guys, now we are in front of my favorite perfume store. It's Le Labo. And I want to check one perfume. So let's get in. And what does it smell like actually?
That one, yeah, it's more into body because it's Yacht.
Because I don't know what is actually Yacht.
Yeah, and it also smells like peppery, but it's really nice.
The-
Unfortunately, we don't have the window tester. Another curtain is aggressive.
Yeah, the problem that I have Santal, like we with friends, we divided. You know, I have one friend who already has another 13. Anyway, I was actually very curious to try that one because now.
That one is really nice. This is basically exclusive of Dubai. And that one exclusive.
This is exclusive of Dubai.
Yeah.
Can I try
Sure.
just this noir, I think. Noir. Bergamot is also nice, but it's a little bit too. Thank you very much. Maybe I found my next perfume. Let's see. But not today. Not today. What do you think, guys? What do you think? Please comment down below if you think that any of the sunglasses look good on me. It's a sport, but I'm downstairs in a sport parking. Okay, my friends, I'm done with the mall, so I will see you tomorrow on a birthday party. Hello guys, so today we are going on a birthday party. So I'll try to show you some nice moment from a boat ride in Dubai and the birthday. And let's try to enjoy together. See you very soon. Flowers are everywhere. Guys, look at the flowers of our birthday girl. Guys, let me know if you like the boat rides. I think it's a very nice, to be honest, attraction in Dubai or in Europe, just when you take a boat and enjoy the city from another side. Look at this. Probably we're gonna start swimming soon. For sure there will be a cake. Alena is going to do a DJing. You may hear it already. So let's try to enjoy as much as we can. So this is Alena's DJ set. Alena.
Happy birthday to you.
But a little bit later. First we will have some drinks.